Hail and well met, adventurers! Welcome to Alachua County Library's program series, How Do I Play Dungeons & Dragons? I'm your host and Dungeon Master, Danie, and this time we're going over what you need to play and some of the terms I received questions about. If you look D&D up online, you'll probably end up seeing a lot of people using fancy figures, maps, and tiles. While that stuff is fun, it's not necessary. All you need to play is paper, your character sheet, pencils, dice, at least one copy of the player's handbook, and your imagination. Luckily, a lot of the information you need in the player's handbook is available online for free. I'm going to be using a lot of terms today, so let's go over a few of them. First, there's the Dungeon Master, or DM. They're also called the Game Master, GM, Gamekeeper, and so on. But they all have the same job. They act as the narrator, and sometimes the referee of the game. They tell the story of the adventure you are about to play, keep track of the bad guys and treasure, and determine what actions the players can take and what will happen as a result. Then there's the players. These are the people actually playing the game. While the DM is the narrator, the players are the storytellers. After all, without the main characters, a story would be really boring. Then there's the player characters. That is the character in the game, whether a rogue halfling, an elven wizard, or a human fighter. The player can only control what their character is doing, so all the players need to work together as a team to defeat the bad guys and save the day. There's also non-player characters, or NPCs, that are generally controlled by the DM. A campaign is when the same players and DM meet up on a regular basis and play with the same player characters, like episodes in a TV series or chapters in a book. A campaign can last only a few sessions, or some last years. This is opposed to one-shots, where the adventure is self-contained and over in a few hours. Now this is your character sheet. You'll fill it out as you create your character. It keeps track of your stats, loot, and skills. A term that confuses a lot of people is mods. This is just shorthand for modifiers. You roll your dice, then you add your modifier, which can be positive or negative, to get your outcome. You figure out your modifiers while creating your character in the ability score section of your character sheet. Last term is initiative. This is your turn order in combat, which is recorded here while creating your character. If you want to learn more about creating your character, join us for our live program on Wednesday, February 10th at 3:30 p.m. I hope that helps you get started on your adventure. Join me again for more How Do I Play in the future, and happy gaming.